How to change Shopee Malaysia to Singapore. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopee Malaysia to Singapore. Open the Shopee application on your mobile device. Tap on Me in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Settings at the top. In the Settings menu, tap on Account and Security. Now, tap on My Profile. Here, you will find all your personal information, such as your phone number, which you can change. Go back and check the security section to ensure everything is up to date. To change your region from Malaysia to Singapore, look for the option related to region or country under My Profile. Tap on the field where your current region is displayed and select Singapore from the available options. After selecting Singapore as your region, ensure to save or update your profile. You can also add a new address or edit the existing one by going to My Addresses. Review all other sections to ensure all your information is accurate. This will help you effectively manage and update your Shopee Pay account information. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.